Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the importance of taking deposits whenever you work, and a situation that I've encountered, and also a new map that I am selling to you guys, and I'll explain the situation to you guys right now. So basically, I was commissioned to make a simulator style map. It has 5 zones, and I had to follow really strict requirements and layouts. I streamed the development of it on my channel. There's 2 uploads of a live stream. There were 4 hours total each, and if you guys watched the live stream, which a lot of you guys did, you'd see that I had a strict list that I was following. I had layout, I had everything. I followed it down to I followed it very specifically. All of my clients' requests were followed, and they said it was going nice. So here's how the conversation went down. They said, hey, when you get a chance, can you send me screenshots of the progress? I just want to check and see if there's anything I'd like adjusted. Thank you. I said, absolutely. Here's some renders of the stuff that I liked. I'm happy to make any changes modeling wise. I have about everything done except the bones, which is part of the commission. And then I said, also, I'm not home right now, just grabbing some lunch. I'll make any changes you want later. So I've been really open about my communication and how I'm happy to make any changes that you want. Just communicate that with me and it'll happen. I'm an easy person to work with. Just, whatever you need, tell me and I'll make it happen. So I sent over screenshots and they said, wow, you did really well with the models. I like them. When you start putting the map together, send me screenshots because I might want things adjusted. I said, sure, will do. Glad you like them. And then later on I followed back and I said, want to check out the progress and give ideas/feedback. Now this was a good 8 hours into work at this point. I've already modeled half the game and I'm assembling the map. It's not even near done. I just wanted some feedback. I wanted pointed in the right direction. And honestly, I just wanted reassurance. Hey, this looks nice. I like the way you're going with it. If there's anything you changed, then let me know. You know what I mean? He said, sure, he's joining the game. And here's one thing that really rubbed me wrong to begin with this client. They said, here's the thing. If you're commissioning someone and they send you updates, try to find things that you like in their work. For example, if you like a way that they textured it, let them know, because that points them in the right direction on how they can cater it towards your needs. So let's say they textured a tree with a gradient. Hey, I really like the gradient you put on this tree. Can you do more of that? That one reassures them that, hey, you like what they're doing. 2, it points them in the right direction. And 3, it gives them more confidence in their work and it allows them to work better and it's catered towards your needs. But instead this person, they automatically started with the I don't like this zone, I don't like the way it's organized, I don't like these decorational objects, and it really threw me off and it rubbed me the wrong way because I've spent 8 hours on this and all you have to say is negative things. And I know for a fact it doesn't look bad. I've been modeling on stream for 8 hours. I've had plenty of people tell me that they like the progress, they like the direction it's going. Ultimately it is his decision, as he is the he's the person paying and all that, but at the same time, you got to respect my craft. If you're the one commissioning me, then don't hit me with the I don't like. At least be polite about it is what I mean. If I'm commissioning someone, it's never I don't like. It's more, hey, can you change this? I don't really like the way it looks, versus I don't like it the way it's organized, I don't like the way it's set. Enough rambling about that though. I just kind of followed up on that. He wanted it bigger, I made it bigger. He gave me some examples of things he wanted changed, and I said, any other feedback? He gave me another thing that he didn't like. He said, I don't really like the cloud area at all, but I didn't give out much detail for the area because I didn't know what I wanted for it myself. I said, do you want me to change it to something else then? He said, no, it's fine. If you can think of something different or different models to add to make it fit the theme, then yes. If not, don't worry about it. Then he said, about 20 minutes later, he pings me. He says, Natalie, can I take the models you currently made for $150 that I paid you? I don't want you working on the map anymore. Only the models. I don't need the map. This really rubbed me the wrong way for several reasons. One, he's putting a set price on my models. What I mean by that is he said $150 is a fair price for the models you have done, which is one. I should be the person valuing my work. I've spent all the time on it. I've designed them. I've spent, months perfecting my craft. And honestly, the rates would be different if you were to pay for individual models. So it's not really fair to me that you would cancel my commission and just try to get the models. And two, I took a deposit for a reason. I took a deposit so I can protect myself from people like you who tried to cancel commissions that I've spent 8 hours on. This is to protect myself and all the work that I've done. It's not just so you can back out and take models or whatever. So I responded, not unless you plan on paying for the several hours of work I put into the map as well. He said you were originally charging $100 for the whole project, including the map. I bumped it up, expecting a lot better job. And I said, no, that was a ballpark number. And that actually we agreed on around $300 because of how complex and how many things he needed. And we worked that out early on. I'll show a screenshot of it as well. Anyways, I said time is valuable. I spent 4 hours making the map, not including the modeling time. So unless you plan on compensating for that, then no, it's not going to happen. And then he said, okay, can I just get a refund? And I said, no, I've spent 8 hours total on this map. Why would I give you a refund? He said, okay, what can I get for the $150 I paid you? I said, the models and a cancellation fee. He said, what's the fee? And, I didn't want to be completely biased. I was obviously, rubbed the wrong way. So I just said compensation for the 4 hours of work I spent on the map. And I said $8.50, which is minimum wage where I live. So I basically am giving it to him, giving him the models plus a fee for canceling, which is minimum wage to cover the time that I spent on that. He said, okay, and sent it to my PayPal. And at this point, I feel bad because I was kind of, hostile. And I said, again, I don't want to come off as hostile, but at the same time, I do value my time. So that's why there is a cancellation fee. He said, I sent you $34. I was like, all good. Give me a few minutes to get everything together for you. He said, actually, hold on. Don't send me anything yet. Actually, can you refund the cancellation fee I sent you, please? I changed my mind. I don't want the map at all. So at this point, I'm thinking, fine, let's just get him off my back and I'll find something to do with this map myself. Anyways, him and his buddies are in the game. They're making fun of the map. And they were just, calling it ugly and stuff like that. Anyways, he said, hold on, can I just pay the cancellation fee and receive my $150 back? I won't be using that map. I said, absolutely not. Did you completely skim over the part where I spent 8 hours making the map / models? Why would I refund that? Do you not value my time at all? And then he said, okay, can I just receive the cancellation fee? I don't want the map. I said, sure, buddy. He said, all right, I don't want the map. That's not what I asked for. I expected it to be better than your previous work before I've seen. I should not have paid the upfront fee at all. Have a good day. And like I said, when I followed up, the upfront fee was to protect me from people like him who are unreliable and flaky. I followed his exact instructions and layout, and I'll point that out to you guys in 1 second. And I wasn't even done. I wasn't even near done. I just wanted feedback. I just wanted him to point me in the right direction. Hey, this is what I like. This is what I don't like. But instead, it was, this is bad. This is bad. I don't like this. I don't like this. When I followed your exact instructions. Either way, I was super happy to not be working with him anymore. And just the cherry, the icing on top of the cake, this man goes on PayPal and he charges me back. He wrote a big long paragraph to PayPal trying to commit fraud, saying the upfront fee was $50 paid to the seller to receive a digital models for my game. And then they said I didn't meet the requirements, blah, 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 blah. Kindly asked him to provide an initial refund of $150. I refused. Yes, I did, because that is my time that I spent on the 8 hours. I was not about to refund you for 8 hours of my time. Anyways, guys, so I just ended up appealing the chargeback, obviously, because it's fraudulent and I poured a lot of time into that and it violates my terms of service within my commission. So hopefully that appeal will go through, because otherwise this guy's committing fraud. But basically, to summarize this video, I'm selling this map that I've spent 8 hours on. It's completely mine. It's not disguised. I can change it any way you want me to. I can cater it towards your needs. I think I'm gonna sell it for about 50 to 100 bucks, something around that range, just to kind of get it off my hands and also get it put into good use, because it's sad seeing something you spent time on just going to waste because of somebody who can't compose themselves. So if you're interested into this, make sure to reach out to me on Twitter. It's at Natalie1337. Here are some screenshots of the map, and then obviously I can change anything you need within reason to make it fit your needs. Yeah, but that's basically it. I just wanted to make a video about this situation and also stress the importance of taking a deposit when you work, because some of these people are so hard to work with. It's unbelievable, the people that you run into and the unprofessionalism. But anyways, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.